Top 5 apps like Scholl Fungal Nail Treatment Review that actually work today. If you're struggling with nail fungus, you won't believe what happens next. There are apps that guide you to effective treatments and track your progress. Most people get this wrong, thinking all over-the-counter creams are the same, but the right guidance makes a huge difference. First up is Amazon. Their app features top-rated antifungal creams, ointments, and devices, along with verified customer reviews to guide safe choices. Second is Walgreens. Walgreens app provides access to Scholl alternatives, expert tips, and refill reminders to help you stay consistent with treatment. Number 3 is Cuffs. This allows you to browse treatments, compare products, and get digital coupons. Many users appreciate its home delivery option for convenience. Fourth is GoodWorks. GoodWorks tracks prices, provides discounts, and lists verified treatments for fungal nails. Users report savings of up to 50% on certain creams. Finally, Health Top. This app connects you with licensed doctors for virtual consultations. You can get personalized advice on treatment options, which improves effectiveness. In conclusion, while Scholl Fungal nail treatment is popular, these 5 apps provide better access, guidance, and cost savings. With them, you can tackle nail fungus more efficiently and safely.